If you've ever searched for ways to make money online in Nigeria, chances are that you've heard about survey websites. But here is the problem. Most of the websites either don't work in Nigeria, waste your time, or never pay you. But in this video, I'm going to show you 4 legit survey sites that are actually paying Nigerians right now. And one of these survey websites is my favorite because it's actually one of the easiest ways beginners can start earning online with their phones. But before we get to the list, my name is Ebenezer Link and you're welcome to the Grind Academy, where we'll find what actually works in making money online. Here, we break things down step by step so you can actually replicate strategies that already work. If you're new here and want more videos on making money online, passive income, online side hustles, and survey websites and new opportunities online on the internet, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, and like this video if you get value from it. And while watching this video, if you have questions and opinions you'd like to drop in the comment section, be sure to do that and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And now with that said and without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys and welcome back. We have our list here and the first on our list is AttaPoll.com. AttaPoll.com, it's quite popular. If you've been doing surveys, it's quite popular, and if you've not, welcome to the party. AttaPoll.com is actually a reputable survey platform where you actually share your opinion and you get money, you get rewarded for sharing your opinion. Now I know I didn't explain how the survey thing works, but basically what you do is you share your opinion on platforms like this and you get rewarded. Now there is actually a format to sharing your opinion in platforms like this. You don't just share whatever opinion you have. There's actually a format to which people in my community actually get to the point where they actually make a lot of money from surveys. They use a format in answering the questions. If you just answer the questions based on what you think, you're not going to get rewarded. I mean, it's something you're not going to get rewarded, especially if you're from Nigeria. There's actually a way to this, and before the end of this video I'm actually going to walk you through that and make you understand that. So if you're going to see this video to the end, it's going to be a bonus for you. So the first one which we have on our list, like I said earlier, is AttaPoll.com, and it says earn money by answering surveys. Now on this particular platform you get to answer questions and you get rewarded, you get paid money. So for certain platforms, for different platforms, you get rewarded either in coins, in gems, or in money, right? So either you get USD or you get the money, and there are different payment options for each of the platforms that I'm going to share with you guys in this particular video. So we have, you actually get paid through either PayPal, right, or through gift card, or through using cryptocurrency methods, right? Either you get paid USDT or USDC, right, and then you get paid to your desired decentralized or centralized platforms. Okay, so AttaPoll is one. We have 3 more on our list, and you see the people here share their their testimony about the platform. They say it's actually good, and I'm actually sharing recommending this to you because we've had a lot of persons in my community use it. A lot of persons in the community have actually used it, and they're saying, oh, it's actually a good one. So you can actually get to the point where you use it to, and then you make something of it. There are actually more, and you can actually look at this ones and get to understand how to make money with it, right? So for those of us who are in Nigeria that don't have PayPal accounts, I'm actually going to put up a video showing us how to withdraw the money we make from our surveys using PayPal or using any other method, right? Now the second one on our list is Qmee.com. Please don't mistake this for Qmee surveys or online surveys.com. There are actually platforms that are actually copycatting this particular platform. These are actually platforms that when you sign up on them, you actually struggle, make money, and you don't get to withdraw. So the actual one is Qmee.com. That's actually the one you should actually stick to if you're going to go on with this one. So you see, kill time productively, and real cash with paid online surveys. So this one, before now, they used to actually give you swag bucks until they upgraded, and now they don't actually pay you swag or points like other platforms. There's actually a platform which I'm not going to mention in this particular video. It pays you currently, still pays you swag or points, and which you convert to money and then you withdraw. But this particular one actually pays you directly cash, and you can actually withdraw instantly when you've made the money. I think the minimum withdrawal for this particular platform is between $5 to $10. So when you've made that little amount of money, you can actually withdraw with your PayPal account or withdraw as gift card. You can withdraw as gift card, just like you see here, PayPal, Amazon gift card. This is actually the method which you can actually withdraw. Now, if you actually withdraw it through gift card, you can actually sell it to people here in Nigeria. And in one of my videos to come, like I said, like I promised you guys earlier, I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to sell your gift cards that you've made from these platforms and get money for it, or how you can actually sell or withdraw your PayPal funds from this platform. So there's actually one more way to make money from this particular platforms that I'm going to show us in this particular video. When you start making money off this particular platforms, you can actually get to the point where you share these platforms with your friends who are interested in making money online. Now, when you share this with them, you teach them how that works. What you share with them is your referral link. So you make a percentage of the money they make from these platforms. Like the first one which I mentioned, which is AttaPoll.com, you actually make 10% on whatever it is they make for the entire time they are on the platform. So if I should share my referral link to you right now, I'm actually going to make 10% of whatever it is you make. So now that I'm educating you guys on this platform, you get to make money. I get to make money educating you guys by sharing my referral link with you guys. But I'm not doing that I'm not doing that because I don't want to do that. I don't want to share my referral link with you guys. So you guys know that whatever it is I'm teaching you guys is because I want you guys to succeed. It's not because I want to refer you guys. So this is actually one other way to make money from platforms like this. All right, so the next one on the list is Eureka Surveys.com. Eureka Surveys.com. This is actually one of the platforms that I actually used while starting out. I no longer use them at the moment. Even though I recommend them, I no longer use them at the moment. But I actually used them while starting out. And since you're still starting out, you can actually use them. Now, one thing with Eureka is you don't, just like I explained before, they don't pay you, they don't give you cash directly. They give you points, and those points actually converted to cash when you want to withdraw. And upon sign up on Eureka at the moment, you get to earn, I think, about £4, about £4. They get to give you about 80 points, which is equivalent to about £4, and which you can actually withdraw once you've actually reach the withdrawal threshold. So Eureka is actually it's actually a good platform. You're going to earn in pounds, not dollars, and they have different payout methods. So let's look at the payout methods right here. Let's just scroll down. Right, so they can pay you with PayPal. So you from minimum of $4 to $80, they're actually going to pay you that in PayPal money, and you can actually withdraw with your Visa card, in somewhere like UK, right? Or you can actually withdraw using bank transfer. You can actually send the money to your bank. If you have a virtual bank account, if you're in Nigeria, you don't have a UK account, you can actually open a virtual bank account with Qmee or GigPay, and then they're gonna send you your money. At the time I was using them, I had PayPal accounts, so I withdrew with my PayPal account. So you can actually withdraw easily with PayPal, and you're not gonna face any hassle. All the other methods I've actually listed, I've never used them. I've just used PayPal for my withdrawals. Trust me, Eureka is actually good, but just get to understand they're not going to give you cash directly. You're going to gain points, and those points will be converted to cash, which is still a good one. If you're starting out, be sure to try this one out. All right, so finally, the last one on our list is actually my favorite one. Like I said before, this one tops my list. And yes, I've not been doing survey for a while because I've actually had other things I'm doing and I've scaled up. So, I mean, if you're starting out, survey can actually help you. Yes, it might not really make you that badass money. It might not really make you $1,000, $2,000, but it's actually going to help you get started. You can actually make your first $100. Let me talk about this last one on our list and why it's my favorite one. It's my favorite one because I can actually make money faster on this platform. The payout is also very fast. It doesn't lag. I have a lot of surveys. So I come to this platform using what I'm going to share with you guys next. All right, so our light just went off and I'm still going to explain what I'm going to explain to us. If you check the platform, you're going to see that it has different payout methods. That's also one reason why I like it. It has a lot of payout methods. You can withdraw with PayPal or gift card. You can withdraw to your bank account, your virtual bank account, using this particular platform, right? And you see, you earn weekly bonuses, you earn referral rewards, and it is quick. You earn quick and easy points, which you actually convert to money and withdraw when you reach the withdrawal threshold. So this particular platform is actually one of my favorites, right? And because it's my favorite, I actually recommend it the most. So if you can actually try it out and share with me your opinions. Just like I told us in the beginning of this video, I told us that I'm going to show us how we're going to be able to qualify for this survey platforms, for these surveys, and actually get rewarded for our opinions and how to share our opinions. All right. Now, it is actually a very detailed process. You actually want to get to be successful doing surveys. It's actually going to be a detailed process. And I just realized that I'm not going to, it's not going to be part of this particular video. So in the next video after this one, probably it's already on the channel by the time you're seeing this video. So I'm going to upload the video explaining to you guys how you can actually carry out surveys successfully. Now, if the video has not dropped yet by the time this particular video drops, and you're watching this right now, there's actually a guide on how you can actually change your IP address. I've actually dropped that video on the channel. You can actually check it out. If you're Nigerian trying to carry out surveys and you do it with your normal IP address, it's not going to work. You're going to need to mimic the IP address of people in distant countries like USA, Canada, UK, and Germany. Or yeah, Canada. I've mentioned Canada. If you make the IP address, this is when you can actually get to the point where you carry out surveys. But in the absence of that, you're not going to be able to carry out surveys successfully. Now, that aside, if you've gotten the IP address, there's also something else you're going to need to do. And in the course of the next video I'm going to share with you guys in this particular channel, I'm going to explain that all of it to us in details. All right, so see you guys in the next one where I bring you guys value.